Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Selenium IDE in Mozilla Firefox. Open Firefox and install the Selenium IDE add-on, then pin it to the toolbar. Click Record, perform actions on the site, and stop to save the test. Use the test runner to play back recordings, inspect commands, and edit selectors. Export tests to formats for frameworks or reuse them directly inside Selenium IDE for quick automation. Begin by creating a project and setting the base URL, then press Record and interact with the web page as you normally would. Selenium IDE captures clicks, typing, and navigations as commands you can edit later. After you stop, organize commands, add assertions, and adjust weights or selectors to make tests stable. Use descriptive test names so you can find and run them later when validating site behavior. If this content is helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more guides. Quick recommendation. The new Kindle Paperwhite makes reading documentation and test plans comfortable when you step away from the screen, with a crisp display and long battery life. Check the description for the link and other deals, and it makes a great companion during long automation sessions. Now let's get back to the video. Open a recorded test and click any command to edit its target, value, or parameters, then insert assertions and control flow as needed. Use the Run button to execute a single test or run a suite to validate multiple scenarios consecutively. Inspect logs and screenshots on failure, tweak selectors or timings, and optionally export tests to code formats for integration with CI tools or advanced automation workflows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.